Good morning, all of you. In class 11th, chapter number 3, Accountancy, Recording of Transactions, we already completed source documents, then T-shape account. Now, today, my topic is accounting equation. Accounting equation proves that is the basic of accounting information. Accounting equation proves that the accounting system has dual aspect. Dual aspect means two-sided, debit and credit, as well as accounting equation proves through various accounting conventions and principles. So today I am going to explain you accounting equation. See, the accounting equation will be proved through, I will show you. See, one accounting equation is this, only one, that assets is equals to liabilities plus capital. In simple term, A is equals to L plus C. So every transaction will have effect on asset and maybe on liabilities and capital. So today, one by one, every transaction, I am going to explain you how to enter these transactions in equation, accounting equation. First is business started. So business started, my dear children, in business started there will be two effects. One is cash plus, another is capital plus. Means through business started, the businessman invests the capital in the form of cash. That's why cash increase. And it is capital, that's why capital increase. Then next transaction, additional capital introduce. Additional capital introduce means the businessman can introduce additional capital or extra capital, then no problem. Same, cash plus capital plus. As I gave you the detail while we were doing terminology that cash withdrawal means drawings. Drawings means the businessman can withdraw cash or kinds from the business for household use, for domestic purpose, for personal use. So drawings means here cash withdrawal. So my dear children, you have to learn by this way. The cash is going out, that's why minus. And due to drawings, capital also reduce, that's why capital also minus. Now we are moving towards next. You can learn by this way, these three. Now next, I am giving you one example like businessman purchase, building purchase, or you can say car purchase, vehicle purchase. So building purchase means one column in asset. Asset means the name, building increase plus. And another thing, payment is going out. So maybe cash, or we can say bank reduce. Then next, you can make the pair of these two. Old plant sold. Old plant sold means the businessman is selling old asset. So here asset. Asset means plant reduced. As I told you, outflow will be minus. And what will increase? Cash balance or bank balance will increase. See the simple term. Yesterday I explained you. Inflows should be added, outflows should be subtracted. Okay, so you have to remember this concept while you will make accounting equation, that assets is equals to liabilities plus capital, and all inflows will be added and all outflows will be subtracted. See, inflows, building purchase, car purchase, or whatever you are purchasing, that will increase. So plus. And you are making payment, that's why cash or bank is going out. Then next, old plant sold. The businessman is selling old asset, that is asset is outflow, that's why minus, and cash is inflow, that's why it is plus. Now next, goods purchase. Goods purchase means businessman is purchasing the goods. So what to do now? What is inflow? See my dear children, stock is increasing. So stock will plus. And here the businessman is making payment, and without any information, that is assumed that cash is going out, cash is outflow, that's why minus. Next, goods sold. The businessman sold the goods. Yes, sold the goods means stock reduce outflow, and by saying selling, cash will be inflow. So cash will increase. These both are the transaction of cash. Goods purchase means stock plus cash minus. Goods sold means stock minus cash plus. Yes, children, note down these transactions, please. First of all, note down these transactions. Then I'll explain you more. Then I'll explain you how to do other transactions, and other transactions are also, various transactions are there. Parth Kachava, please note down. Sarthak Singh, note it down properly. Yes. Business started, cash plus, capital plus. Other transactions also I will explain you one by one, but you will think in mind only one thing: all inflows will be added, outflows will be subtracted. Asset is equals to liabilities plus capital, and this is the key term. Business started, cash plus capital plus, additional capital introduced, cash plus capital plus, cash plus because cash is inflow. Drawings, or we can say cash withdrawal from the business, means cash outflow, that's why minus. Building purchase, so building inflow or purchase will be added, cash payment minus. Old plant sold means the value of plant reduced but the cash increases. Goods purchase means stock plus, because goods purchased by the businessman, and cash outflow because this is cash transaction. Then reverse. So when you will do by this way, then it will be easy for you. Stock minus cash plus. Now next two. For next two, I am going to explain you 8 and 9. First is goods purchase from Adani on credit. Then stock already added, stock will be plus. Yes. But because we are purchasing goods on credit, that's why creditors will increase. Creditors will be more. Creditors will increase. The next, goods sold to Ambani on credit. Simple, we are selling the goods. That's why the value of stock is reducing, but the value of debtors will increase. Debtors means asset. Asset means the persons, or debtors means the persons who will give us the money. So first note down these 9 transactions. See, every transaction has two effects. That's why we can say double entry system, dual aspect concept, one and another. So minimum two sides effects are there. In accounting equation also, this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Both sides will affect. Note down these transactions and learn these. Goods sold to Ambani on credit, stock minus, debtors plus. See, maybe Adani, maybe Ambani, various terms are there. We can enter all these, but the name change, amount change, like in place of building, there may be land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures. Okay. Various assets are there, computer, AC, laptop, these are the there. And while you are selling the asset, then also various assets are there, like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, old vehicle you are selling. Note down please. So these are the conditions. Like here also, goods purchased from Adani, and there may be other persons, goods purchased from Amitabh, Abhishek, Aishwarya, Tata, Birla, goods sold, amount will also may be different. Same here, goods sold to Ambani, you can sell to anyone. There may be the change in names, there may be the change in amount. So these are the items and more other items I will explain you further, but we are on the concept that asset is equals to liabilities plus capital. Noted down. Now we are moving for on other topics. The next, see after 9, the 10th transaction, expenses paid. Now, in place of expenses, various terms are given like salary paid, rent paid, advertisement expenses paid, electricity bill paid, interest paid, commission given, various expenses, stationery charges, freight, transportation, communication, various are. So for all these, first cash is going out, that's why minus. And another thing, by the losses, capital will also be subtracted. Then 11. See here, cash minus capital minus in accounting equation. The next, revenue received, or we can say gain or profit or income received, like rent received, interest received, commission received, various things are coming. You are the landlord, tenant is coming to give you the rent, then cash plus, and by the profits, capital will also be added, increase. So be alert. I am giving you another key term. By the expenses or losses, capital subtracted, and by the income and gain or profits, capital will be added or increase. Capital will be increase. Note down the concept. Note down these concepts. These are the basic concepts of accounting equations. Made the list of these basic 11 transactions, then I'll explain you more. From tomorrow onwards, we will start questions, numerical, how to fill in accounting equation. Note down the transactions and these keywords, which I gave you in the block. Every expenses or loss will be subtracted. Every income or gain will be added back. Yes, Mehak Bajaj, show me your copy. COVID note down, noted down. Yes.